And step 1, gust is hitting, nose is going up. So because the nose is going up, it means what? This object is freely rotating, so it will rotate about CG. So this nose is going up. So that's what I'm saying, moment created by the gust. But if this aeroplane is statically stable, then it will be having tendency to come back to the same position, correct? I'm just talking about the tendency. It may go again this side. That is not my point. It should have tendency to come back to the original point. So while coming back, the entire aeroplane, with the help of all the elements, wing, tail, with the help of all the components, this entire aeroplane must be able to generate this nose down moment. Then only this nose will come down. And this phenomena should happen automatically. This should not be done by the pilot, because if the pilot is doing anything, that comes under the control part. Pilot can control things, that is different, but automatically nose must come down. Even the pilot is sleeping, this nose should come down. So now see guys, when the nose is going up, then mathematically we say that is positive moment. When the nose is coming down, then we say negative moment. It means what? Now I'm going to the last page. Here I have taken coefficient of moment versus alpha. Okay, so for that purpose, if I am drawing one Cm alpha curve, then you understand. Suppose at a particular point, flight was at this much alpha. At a particular flight was going on, that time your alpha was this much alpha. Okay, so at this much alpha, for example, this is the aeroplane flying at a particular alpha. You have this alpha, this part is alpha. It is flying, and suddenly gust came into picture. Now gust is hitting the nose, so nose will go up for sure. Okay, so this aeroplane will rotate about the CG because of the gust. So that moment, because only moment is responsible for the bending, for the rotation, correct? So this moment is positive moment. So our aeroplane should be able to generate negative moment if the aeroplane is stable. So I can give you 3 lines here, because it is a crash course program. So I am directly going to give you 3 lines and we will understand which line is correct for us. Suppose I am giving you one line is this. Suppose I am giving you one line this. Suppose I am giving you one line this. So to make aeroplane statically stable, which line we should consider? Which line is going to be our correct line for the static stability in longitudinal case? Okay, so let's understand properly.